Okay, now we have our application up and running on the domain isopax.com, and everything is perfect. We can search we can get the data, we can search, and so things work as it is, and it's working good. But if you look at the console, so we will check the network connections, and we can see, right, let's search for something new. Right, so when you're searching, you can see we are sending HSR request. That means that's for the, so now we are using we have disabled WebSockets because we need to go to our DDP traffic to the Cloudflare for the security purpose and all those things, for the SSL and other things. So now if you look at those HSR requests, so we can see even our domain name is on isopax.com. These URLs still have the IP addresses. That means, so all these things are, all the DDP requests are going to the balances. Now we haven't updated our balances with the new URL, so we are trying to do that now. So we have to do this because of this reason. So now we are trying to go to the HTTPS version of our page. Now we can get the data, we can get the HTML content, but we can't connect to the actual DDP connection because it's trying to go to a normal connection without an SSL. So Chrome throws an error and it doesn't allow us to go connect to these resources. So let's try to do that. So we can simply go to the Cloudflare and then try to add the new domains, right, isopax.com. So we need to go for the Cloudflare, and then let's select the domain, the DNS settings, and let's add 2 domains. So we're adding each balances to its own subdomain like this, and those traffics also go to the Cloudflare. So we can have the SSL support for this domain. Right, we add the new other domain as well, like this, and add this. So now we have 2 domains, 1.isopax.com and 2.isopax.com for the balances. So let's add the 2 domains as the new balances. Right, I can go to the configurations. No, not this one. Right, this one. So now go to the balances settings. Right, this one. In the balances settings, I can simply use HTTPS 1.isopax.com. The other one is 2.isopax.com. Then I can open my application, and then I can do a map reconfig. Then it will update the environment variable on the server. This will take up to 30 seconds, so let's wait until it's completing. Okay, now our environment variable has been updated, so now we can use the application with SSL support. So let's try to see that. All right, and I can go to my browser, let's say isopex.com, using HTTPS URL. Now I can see the content. So it will take some time to get the connection to the connection because we haven't enabled fast render. So now we have the content here. So now we can search. So it's happening, and it's working pretty well. So if you look at the network tab of the developer console, so let's try to search for something else. Now you can see, so now it's using a balancer URL that we have updated. So now all the traffic goes through the Cloudflare into the balancers, and we have the SSL support. So now this is working pretty well, and so we have completed our application with a highly available media cluster. We have completed implementing that one. I think this is great.